I used to think that kidney problem only happens to older people or people with serious illness until a very close friend of mine ended up in the hospital with kidney problem. All because of everyday habits he thought were harmless. Don't let this happen to you. Here is what you need to know to keep your kidney healthy and strong. Every 30 minutes, your kidney filters all the blood in your body, removing waste and balancing electrolytes like sodium and potassium, controlling your blood pressure, and even activating vitamin D for strong bones. They are like your body's natural detox machine. Let's start with something most of us eat every day: refined carbohydrate. These foods spike your blood sugar, leading to what we call insulin resistance. Over time, high blood sugar damages the tiny blood vessel in your kidney, causing vascular dysfunction and oxidative stress. This is one of the main reasons diabetes is the leading cause of kidney failure worldwide, even if you don't have diabetes. Eating too many refined carbohydrates can set you on the path to kidney damage, so swap all those white carbohydrates for whole grains or fruits. Processed and high sodium food. Too much salt rises your blood pressure, and high blood pressure is the second leading cause of chronic kidney disease. The more salt you eat, the harder your kidney have to work, and the faster they wear out. Always check the nutritional label and aim for less than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day. Always remember, most of the salt we eat doesn't come from the salt shaker, but from processed foods. Overuse of NSAID. NSAID can reduce blood flow to your kidney and increases your risk of chronic impairment, especially if you use them regularly. If you have chronic pain, talk to your doctor about safer alternatives. Another one is not drinking enough water. Dehydration is another silent threat. When you don't drink enough water, your kidney can't flush out toxins efficiently. This increases your risk of kidney stone and long-term damage. Aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of clean water a day, more if you are active, sweating, or live in a hot climate. And remember, sugary drinks and soda don't count as water. Excessive protein intake. High protein diets are popular, especially for building muscles and losing weight. But too much of it, especially from animal sources, can stress your kidney, particularly if you already have risk factors like high blood pressure or diabetes. Focus on plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and tofu, and keep animal protein in moderation. Smoking and excessive alcohol. Smoking and heavy drinking are major kidney stressors. Smoking damages blood vessels, reducing blood flow to your kidney, while excessive alcohol can dehydrate you and increase your blood pressure. Finally, ignoring underlying health conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, and frequent urinary tract infection can destroy your kidney over time. Make sure you get regular checkup, monitor your blood pressure and blood sugar, and follow your doctor's advice. Here is what to do to protect your kidney. Eat rich antioxidant fruits and vegetables like leafy greens, berries, garlic, and turmeric. Berries in particular are rich in anthocyanins, which have been shown to protect kidney cells. Stay hydrated. Water is your kidney's best friend. It flushes out toxins and prevents stone formation. If your urine color is pale yellow, you are probably well hydrated. Cut back on salt and processed food. Cook at home. Use herbs and spices for flavor and read labels to avoid hidden sodium. Choose moderate protein. Focus on plant-based protein and keep animal protein portion moderate. Avoid unnecessary NSAID. Use painkiller when needed and always with medical supervision. Manage your blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol. Don't ignore symptoms like swelling, fatigue, or changes in your urine. Your kidney responds to positive changes by removing hidden kidney killers, drinking clean waters, and focusing on natural anti-inflammatory foods. You can protect these vital features for life. Indeed, learning never ends and nature heals. In case you don't know me, I am Chinenye Harriet, and if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.